wake up very early, I kind of already have understanding. I don't care what happened yesterday. I just care about what's going on right now. So time is 7:45. I think I'm probably waking up right now. So just off the stretch, if I did wake up right now, I'll come right here. This is the recent lows that I'm waking up to on the 5 minute. Okay, we'll pause it right here. What time is it? It's 8:10. I'll let it keep rolling. I need 9 o'clock. So for right now, I have lows off the 5 minute and this little wick high. And yeah, from right now, I'm chilling, waiting till like 9 o'clock. Let's go brush. I'll probably go brush my teeth, make food. All right, let's pause it around here. What time is it? It's 8:45. We still got time to go. And rule number one with this setup, we're not wait, we're waiting till 9:30 to hit before we make any trades. So like we're not making a trade right here unless I woke up early and I peeped that this was a form of resistance. But like I said, that's another style of trading. But my particular trade is this right here. I'm chilling. I'm waiting till 9 o'clock. Okay, let's try to chill. To chill right here. Okay, so it's 9:15. So around this time, 9:15, I'm coming to US 30. I'm looking for the recent highs, which is 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. This is London lows, and we got New York highs. All I'm looking for is a break above, and I'll have a buy limit right here set because time is 9:15. I don't have a buy limit set yet, but this would be the concept that I'm looking for. I'm looking for this buys up here. If price do decide to just give us a massive spike, or I'm looking for shorts down here with the same risk, which would be a 20-point risk for the both in the top. And I'll always with Dow, we go for 100 or 150, just depending on how I'm feeling for that day. So it's 9:15. We're gonna let this keep going. We're waiting for 9:30. And let's see what time is this? 9:30. Okay, so this is the 9:30 opening candle. And like I said, at this point, you see there's no massive spike, there's no massive up spike, no massive down spike. So at this point, I'm filling buys or sell. At this point, so I'm putting a buy limit right here and a sell limit right here. Same contracts, same risk, everything. And I'm just sitting down and relaxing. All right. And automatically you can see that as soon as, what time is this? As soon as 9:30 came through, we automatically broke straight through. Now this is the FX replay, so it doesn't actually show us what's going on in the one like on the 30 seconds. So you can actually see like how this trade just spiked down. On a normal day, we'll just get a straight entry and it just goes straight to TP, which this trade sure did hit TP. Sure did hit TP. And like I said, on a normal day, I'm normally risking one. I mean, not risking. I'm normally going for 170 or 150 point TP. Always risking 20 points. So even though my first trade, let's say I lose my first trade, I will still get right back into the same entry if I have the opportunity. And at the same time, too, the 5 minute has to look like we're about to give a massive pull down or a massive off pull for me to keep doing that back to back. And I do it twice. So if the first one, let's just say my first trade do get taken out, I will put the sell limit right back there. If there's a decent amount of volume and it was just like a retest aspect that we just come to retest these levels, and it could have been potentially the same drop. But regardless, this is how I do get into my trades. it would have went shorts or it would have went up. And yeah, after that, I'm done trading. I'm not looking to do anything. However, the market keep going, the market keep going. But you can see the market, yeah, the market did keep going. And yeah, look now spiking back down. So if I was being greedy, let's just pause this. Let's just say if I was being greedy, trying to go for like 300 point would have hit. But you can't predict that Dow is going to give you 300 points every day. I've traded this so much where I could say comfortably with a Dow move, you can get guarantee 100 to 100 points off the opening. Guarantee every time. Now, if you're going for 300 points, if you want to trail it, you can, but I don't go for that. I just go for my 100 or 150, depending on how I feel that day, and I just call it a day. Because like, look at this trade. Let's say if I was going for a thousand points, you know what I'm saying, it would have came right back. Let's see, it would have came back. Okay, this was a beautiful setup. You see how I just retested my entries, but yeah, you see, yeah, it's cooking, it's cooking, it's cooking. We're just gonna watch the outcome. But at this point, I'm not trading anymore. I am just coming back and forth, just seeing how the charts is doing. I'm not looking for no other opportunities. I'm not trying to make no more money. I've done this trade right here, and I'm just trying to perform this trade right here every single day with the same R to R risk to reward every day, and that's what keep me profitable. So I am not looking for potential upwards or potential. I'm not looking for nothing. I got what I was looking for in the market, and I'm done. And yeah, I could also have another video showing you how my setups do fail. So this is not a guarantee 100% that you're going to win every day, but with a good R to R, you see how I'm risking just 20 points. If I'm risking 20 points, I could lose. In reality, I could lose like 5 trades before I'm in the negative. So I'm chilling. But this is the aftermath of how I'm saying how my setups is basically working with the market. Yeah, any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions?
So so like after the or actually do you enter on the break, the retest, or like the pullback?
So I don't believe in the retest when it comes to Dow. If with my setups, with how I have highs and lows, and I can, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna see it in the Discord, how it's the same thing every day. There's days where the retest would play out with my setups, with the key levels. And I'm saying us targeting the same thing we're targeting every day. I'm saying there's some days where you can see like right here, the retest would work. And I'm not even gonna lie to you, the same way how this retest performed here, I know the previous day it did the same thing, and that was also in the Discord. But there's days where it does work, where the retest does work, but the retest is not a guarantee with what I'm teaching. But what I'm teaching is you come in here, you have a sell limit, you target 100 or 150 points. Depending on your risk tolerance, you're risking 1 or 2 trades, and that's it. You call it a day. You come back tomorrow and perform the same way.